There we go, we got the angle right. It's gonna be like a 1 or 2 minute video. I'll pause it. I'll make this like 3 or 4 different parts, maybe 5 minutes a piece or less. But anyway, this is the old one. Here's the new top, the new desktop, Podium top, and it's about the same width. Actually, I think it's identical, pretty much identical. So the idea is this is actually good quality plywood. I think that's cherry or mahogany on top, but it's not going to warp like this one did. That one probably was not glued right. That's my suspicion, but at any rate, this is going to be stable. It won't warp or anything like that. It shouldn't warp. Better not warp. Anyway, I'm going to put these borders around it. I'll probably paint these a color to that'll look good. Maybe a sort of something to reflect the school. But anyway, these are going to be bordered along the edge like this with a 45-degree miter, so it'll look nice and clean. And then I'll have a lip like this, a little ledge to catch the books so they don't slide off. And that'll be down here. So it will actually be a little bit bigger, a little bit longer by the time I'm done. Not by much, but just a little bit. So that's the plan. I'll when I get everything cut, I'll show you the dry fit. Yeah, let me show you this real quick. Let me get this out of the way. Maybe I'll measure it right while I'm recording this. So, see, this is too long. Obviously, it's much longer. This is much longer than this. So, I'll use this as a template. Score it. I think I'll do it right now, actually. If you do it like this, use the old piece of wood for a template, then you don't have to actually use a ruler. So I thought I saw something walking outside the door. There was a squirrel here the other day, and there have been skunks here. Not me, a different kind of skunk. But that should be pretty good. Or another way to do it. Makes it easier to me. It's like this. Especially since this one is so, see how it's wobbly? That's how warped it is. That's how much it's bowled. And it took me some time to get the wood, but we're ready to go. Plus, it didn't help that yours truly wasn't feeling well for about 3 months. Still not 100%, but I'm much better, getting back to normal. So that's like that. Then this is actually going to go underneath this, but it will only cover about maybe this much. Just enough to screw into the base over there. I showed you earlier. And then let me do this real quick. It's going to, the new plywood will screw into, where's it at? This base right here. And then, let me get this right. So this is going to screw into the base, and then this I'll screw onto here, but from underneath, if that makes sense. But you'll see. And that's it for this video. I will shut it off and show you when I get things cut up. I'll have it all dry fit and show you what it's going to look like.